Drone is airborne. Got another tango. Just spotted one with submachine guns.
Roger, let me get in position. Roger that.
Let me get into position.
Copy that. Moving.
Got the target.
MX-5.
Fuck, engaging. Hey, we got a narco.
Tell me where.
Sticking close to the sandbag emplacement. Hang back, they see you. Got it, moving. Let me find a good position. Eyes on the target. Roger, target acquired. That tango's down.
Pinche cabrón.
All right, breathe easy.
Está bien, me rindo.
Here's the deal, asshole. You answer my questions, or I put a bullet in your gut and leave you to die in your own shit. ¿Lo entiendes?
Chill the fuck out, cabrón. What do you want?
Amaru, where can I find him?
You serious? That's what this is about? Sure thing. He's at Atoya Farm. Go on. Then you can see what we do to people who fuck with us. People like you.
We need to get this done in a hurry. Amaru's an old man. He's not gonna last long under torture.
Shit, if they've been working on him for a while, there's a good chance he's already dead. Maybe, maybe not. Amaru's a major player in the rebel movement. The cartel will keep him alive as long as they can to find out what he knows.
We can't afford to take any chances. There's too much riding on this. Let's move.
Got some hostile activity.
Let's get moving. The cartel isn't gonna wait around for us to track down and rescue Amaru. I'm spotting another tango. I got a third.
Roger that. Moving. I need a better position.
Shit, I gotta find a good position.
Target marked.
Back it up, back it up.
Clear.
I'm riding the motorcycle.
Go on, I'll be right with you.
We got hostiles in the area.
Ready to fire.
You rattled somebody's cage.
Clear over here. The lieutenant's escaped. Enemy activity nearby. Hey now, we got a group of cigar.
Coming up on a Toyo farm.
Remember, a lot of these Sicarios are ex-military.
ID your targets. If Amaru gets killed by a stray round, Operation Kingslayer will be dead in the water before it even starts. Let's go. I got another. That's 5. Tango marked. He's a little close to civilians.
Moving to position. I need to get to a better position. Moving to a better position.
Copy. Target marked.
Roger that. Target marked. Good to go. Target is down. Fuck, they found a body.
Estos no se me pelan. ¡Órale! ¡Salgan, hijos de la chingada! ¿Qué chingados esperas? ¡A partir de la madre con todo!
Got it, moving. Let me get a good sight line. Wait one, let me get in position.
They're coming right at us. What's the word, boss? Eyes on the target.
I've got the target. Say the word, boss.
¡Puta marica!
Opening fire. Tango down.
No hay nadie aquí. Esos cabrones estaban aquí y se largaron. Vamos a seguir buscando. ¡Órale!
They've got no idea where we are.
Well, that was messy as shit.
Are you Amaru?
What's left of him anyway?
Come on, we're getting you out of here. I got it. I'll fly.
Get down.
I'm on. Let's go.
Where are you taking me?
Back to your friends.
Entonces, para Qatar y hazme el gentil güey de malditos extranjeros de Yom Kippur.
Take it up with him, senor. This is it.
Hey, ¿qué pasa?
Are you hurt? Santa Blanca is not the most gracious of hosts. These Aucas, these
demons they had questioning me. Let us say, their talk of love was enough to make me vomit. But their methods were not...
Were their names Yuri and Polito?
See, Yuri Polito.
These are the fucks that tortured Ricky Sandoval while Sueño questioned him. I want them bad.
We only saw run-of-the-mill Sicarios when we freed Amaru.
But I haven't seen Yuri and Polito in at least 3 days, maybe 4. I don't know where they are now.
We need more intel.
We'll search every village and camp until we find something.
Somebody's gotta know something. Gather documents, hack computers, interrogate hostile lieutenants, talk to civvies, whatever it takes.
We'll turn over every rock.